Push a book on a rough floor, it stops almost immediately. Push it on a smooth surface, it slides much farther. Same book, same push. Completely different result. The difference? A force you cannot see, but you feel every single day. It is called friction, and it is the reason the world does not slide apart. Friction is a force that opposes motion between two surfaces in contact. Even surfaces that look smooth are actually covered in tiny bumps. When two surfaces rub together, those bumps catch and resist movement. More bumps, more resistance. Smoother surface, less friction. And friction is not one thing. It comes in 4 types. Static friction holds things still, like a heavy cupboard refusing to budge. Sliding friction slows things in motion, like brakes on a bicycle. Rolling friction is weaker. Wheels roll because rolling friction is low. And fluid friction acts in water and air, slowing swimmers and parachutes. Friction can be our best friend, or our biggest challenge. Grip on a cricket bat, traction of a car tire, brakes on a train. All good friction, all keeping us safe. But friction in machinery? It wastes energy and causes wear. That is why engineers use oil and lubricants, to reduce it. Without friction, we could not walk, could not write, could not drive. The world would literally slip away from us. Friction is the invisible grip that holds civilization together. So next time something stops when you want it to slide, do not fight it. Thank it. Because friction is just doing its job. And the best part? At RNCT Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life. Hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@rtnaniti.org or WhatsApp us at 74989-89292. Because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are RNCT, and this is what we do.